It's holiday season, and if you're looking for gift ideas for the outdoor enthusiast, then check out these 5 great products that would be a perfect gift for just about any outdoor lifestyle.
The Grayl GeoPress. The Grayl GeoPress protects against heavy metals, chemicals, and viruses in addition to common protozoa and bacteria. And it's among the best backpacking and travel water filters of 2021. Filters and cleans particulates, many chemicals, and heavy metals, while it improves taste, smell, and clarity. Also removes all pathogens, viruses, bacteria, and protozoa. Able to purify 24 ounces of water. Requires no setup time. Pumps, hoses, sucking straws, batteries, chemicals, or prolonged waiting. Effortlessly purify from any spigot, hotel sink, murky river, lake, or well. Equipped with replaceable purifier cartridge that is good for 65 gallons. Perfect for home or car prep kit so you are ready for any natural disaster, water emergency, or survival situation. The Grayl GeoPress is available on Amazon for $80.95. The Hydro Flask 5-liter downshift hydration hip pack is insulated to keep 1.5 liters of water chilled for 3 hours. While it was designed primarily for biking in mind, it's actually great for hikes and camping trips too. Hydro Flask uses its cold flow system, a mix of neoprene around the reservoir and reflective lining in the pack to repel heat. The bladder itself is easy to fill and rinse after use, and the bite valve lives up to its design. By making this a waist pack, it keeps your center of gravity on the hips and prevents trapping sweat on your back. Storage-wise, this pack has an organized internal pocket for tools or other small items, a lined media pocket, and an external stretch pocket that you can use for a spare water bottle. Additionally, its external straps let you secure other items, like rain gear. You will come to appreciate the storage space as an option on more leisurely rides or hikes. It feels sized right to carry essentials and some odds and ends. Granted, a backpack can carry essentials and more gear, but this pack still proves handy for packing snacks, multi-tools, and a number of other small essentials. The downshift can be picked up at Hydro Flask for $99.95. The Osprey DayLite Sling Pack. This pack is perfect for short hikes, throwing in your luggage, or taking on a day trip. The DayLite Sling has a breathable, soft spacer mesh back panel, and a comfortable single shoulder strap that can be worn on either side. It's made with the same durable recycled materials as the rest of the DayLite family, making it just as reliable as a DayLite backpack. The harness strap has a small mesh pocket, perfect for easy access to small items. The front of the sling has a zippered front pocket, as well as a large main compartment with a key clip and interior organization for all your essentials. And one of the best things about the sling is that it flips around easily for access to your zippered pockets. As you can see, this pack's simplicity and versatility make it an easy choice for everyday use. You can pick up the DayLite Sling Pack for just $39.95. Topo Designs Dopp Kit. Topo Designs Dopp Kit is designed as a container for toiletries, but can be used for so much more. In addition to being good at what it's supposed to be good at, it can also successfully be used as a universal pouch to house tech and other miscellaneous items. The triangular design enables it to stand up by itself, and the long zipper grants easy access to what's inside. This simple, durable, and versatile pouch will come in handy, no matter what you end up using it for. The Dopp Kit is available in a ton of color options, and while price varies depending on options, it starts at $34.95. North Face Base Camp Canister. The North Face Base Camp Travel Canister is available in small and large sizes. The small is basically a scaled-down version of the large, which is one most popular bags on the market. Like the Topo Designs Dopp Kit, this bag can be used for a wide variety of different uses. It also does a great job at organizing items inside of a larger bag. Both sizes are made with the same robust materials, so it's safe to say that it's pretty durable. The Base Camp small version comes in at $49.99, while the larger version will set you back around $72. Thanks for watching. Help us out by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and also check out our affiliate SRVS Gear and support those who serve.